Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this video, we are going to be cooking a delicious minced
We're going to start
meat
by
pasta.
cooking our meat,
Let's
preparing
get
the
started.
meat. This is minced garlic and onion. At this point, let's add our minced meat. So let's season it, salt and vinegar. Have our thyme, onion powder, mix it up. So today we are cooking pasta and minced meat. We are preparing our meat, after which we are going to start cooking the pasta. This is going to be delicious. Okay, at this point I'm going to add tomato puree. You can use any tomato for the sauce. I'm going to mix it up and allow both of them to cook roughly, okay, before we add the pasta. Let's start cooking our pasta. Let's cook our pasta with salt. Cover it and let it cook. The meat and tomato is properly cooked. This is our sauce for the spaghetti. Look at this. Smells so good. At this point, our sauce is very rich. That our pasta is cooked. It's not overcooked. Okay, don't overcook it, okay? Some of the pasta, I want my pasta moist, the water, okay? So that even when it soaks up the moist, okay, because it's gonna dry and soak it up, when you warm it again, you will have some moist. All right, I don't like dry pasta or spaghetti. And our pasta is ready. Let's dish our food. So today in our video we cooked a delicious minced meat pasta and it is ready. We've come to the end of this video. It is delicious, moist, not overcooked. Please share, comment, and I will see you once again. Bye. May the good Lord bless you.